I hope you have a great day. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful 4 steps infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I am going to give it some different color and go to insert and take this rectangle, drag this rectangle horizontally like this. Okay, let me fix it. Again, go to insert and take a rounded rectangle and drag around the rectangle, make it fully rounded and make it little bit smaller from both sides, horizontally and vertically. Rotate through this handle and place it here. Shape outline, make it no outline. Let me give it some different color to this rounded rectangle. Okay, let me zoom it and to fix it. Yes, it's okay. Control D to duplicate it and flip horizontally and put it here on the other side of this rectangle is the first one. Select both and place it here for later use. Select all these shapes, go to insert, go to shape format, merge shape and fragment. Select this one by holding shift and delete. Put this rounded rectangle here and this will go here. Make it a little bit smaller. Give it some gradient color. This one. Go to shape and give it some gradient color. Yes, I need 4 stops. Let me align these stops and through the eyedropper I am going to give this color from color palette and all these stops give the recent color. Select this one and make it little bit lighter. Okay, so it will give that the paper curve from this, that it will give that the paper out from the background, and later on we will give it some shadow effect. Also make these rounded rectangle darker in the same color. Again, go to insert and take a rectangle and drag a rectangle. Shape outline, make it no outline. Sorry, let me shape outline. Shape will give the same color as the background color. Shape outline, make it no outline. Take an old shape and drag an old shape horizontally. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape will give dark gray color and soft edges, go to soft edges and make it, and increase the size of the soft edges, and I'm going to make it perfect for this according to this shape. Let me increase the transparency. Yes, let it give the shadow effect. Let me align it. Sorry. Select this rectangle and send to back. Now this whole shape send to back. Also select this one, bring to front, and these two, let me select these two rounded rectangle and send to back. Yes, make it at the center of the slide. Control G to group it, and now Control D to duplicate it. You can increase or decrease these steps according to your requirements. Control D to duplicate it, Control D to duplicate it. Let me place it here. Now I am going to change the color of these other types, and through, yes, also give this one the recent color and make it little bit lighter. Let me change the color of this one. Through the eyedropper, I'm going to pick the third one color. From the recent color, I'm going to pick from the recent color and select this one, and from the recent color give this one color and go to more color and make it a little bit lighter. Give the fourth one color through the eyedropper, and from the recent color give the same color, and also give this top the same color from the recent color, and this will also from the recent color and go to more color and make it a little bit lighter. Now go to select panel, and let me select these rounded rectangle and make it is the same color, darker. Give the darker color in the same as the type color. Go to more color and make it darker. Select the second one rounded rectangle, and from the recent color give the darker color. Select this one and select the rounded rectangle and give the same color and make it darker. Go to more color and make it darker. Yes, and select the next rounded rectangle from the selection panel and give the recent color. Let me choose this one, the rounded rectangle, and give the same color and make it darker. Go to more color and select the next rounded rectangle and give the recent color. Let me little bit align it. Yes, go to insert. Okay, I'm going to bring some text that I typed earlier to save the time. So I'm going to bring the text. Control C and bring it to the slide by Control V and put it here over this shape. Let me align it and select give white color. Control D to duplicate it and put it here on the second one type, over the second one type, and also give the third one type, also Control D to duplicate it. Go to insert and take a rounded rectangle and drag a rounded rectangle. Let me select this one and make it fully rounded. Make it thin like a line segment and shape outline. Make it no outline. Shape fill, white fill. Rotate it by holding shift and put it here. Control D to duplicate it. Put it here. Control D to duplicate it and put it here. Control D to duplicate it. Let me align this third one and fourth one shapes. Yes. Again go to insert and take a text box O1. Select. Font will be Oswald. Hit enter and I'm going to increase the size to 40 will be, I think so. Okay, make it bold and put it here. Give white color. Control D to duplicate it and Control D to duplicate it. Control D to duplicate it. Let me change this color to 4 and this will be 3 and this will be 2, sorry. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. Thank you.